Learn how to create this retro sign composition using the Ultimate Lettering Toolbox Retro Set. Hi, my name is Nico Ng, and I'll be guiding you through the process, sharing the brushes used in each step. You can either watch the whole video for an overview or follow along pausing as we create together. To kick things off, let's start with the new canvas. I've opted for the screen size for this piece. Begin by sketching your retro sign layout idea. To get inspiration for the shapes you can use in building your signboard, refer to the Retro Composition brush set. Stamp the signboard shapes in separate layers. I used the Mini Sign 12 straight ovals, which is located under the floating letter signs category, and Mini Sign 4. Ensure that all the shapes are centered and adjust their sizes to perfectly accommodate your words. Create each element on a separate layer to make future adjustments and coloring easier. Type in the word "rockin" in a script font. Use it as a size and spacing guide for the first word. Then use the retrograph brush to create a monoline script version of the word. Next, type in the words Retro Diner in a tall sans serif font and position each letter within the respective oval shapes. Type in the phrase "Step back in time and taste the classics" in a tall sans serif font. Place it inside the last shape and modify the signboard shape as needed to better accommodate the words. On a new layer, stamp in Arrow Board 2 and extend it to cover the entire bottom of the signboard. Color the word "rockin" in beige and add a drop shadow by duplicating the layer, moving it slightly to the lower right, and changing the color to black. Also, color the signboard shapes in orange, red, and beige. Apply an outline effect to the word "rockin" by duplicating it, changing the color to black, and add a slight Gaussian blur, and continue duplicating and merging the layers until you achieve a solid outline effect. Then color the background in peach. Now, let's add patterns into our retro shapes. Use a white rectangular tile pattern for the last shape and a thin wavy pattern for the first shape. Circle halftone fill inside the oval shapes. Double circles inline for the arrow sign. Thin diagonal stripes for the drop shadow of the word "rockin', and thick low angle stripes for the border of the last shape. Next, add a white drop shadow to the tagline below and add a diamond inline around the border of the first shape. Design the poster by applying a checkboard pattern at the top and at the bottom. Add a drop shadow to all the signboard shapes by duplicating them, recoloring the bottom duplicates to dark gray, and slightly shifting them downward. Add a mild gritty texture over your poster to give it an aged look, and use the jazzy marker to draw a vertical gray pole. Lastly, recolor the entire poster according to your preferred color scheme. And we are done. Check out the other videos in this Ultimate Lettering Toolbox series and learn how to draw ink, chalk, vintage, retro sign, and watercolor lettering artworks. See you in the next video.